Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today let me introduce you the GT Player Gaming Chair. This is a gamer chair with an ergonomic office chair components with adjustable lumbar and pillow with footrest. This gaming chair padded gaming for us gaming fall and load capacity of maximum 150 kilogram. And it's available on the market in gray, in brown, or in white. Special design for long-term use. Because the armrest, the gas spring, the shelf and the base of the GT Play Game Chair all comply with the BIFMA standard by IFMA. The gas spring has a load capacity of up to 150 kg. The surface is made of PVC materials. That's durable, water repellent, and easy to clean. The A-rails are quiet and glide smoothly without damaging the floor. The robust metal frame and a stable nylon base ensure maximum stability and durability too. And everything for the comfort. Do you feel tired? Then pull out the footrest, stretch your legs while leaning. And the back of the gaming chair can be freely adjusted between 90 degrees and 145 degrees. The cushion armrest automatically adjusts the angle and height to ensure our comfort. And the perfect choice for gamers, because the height of the spring is adjustable by 10 centimeters and fits for people with a body height of 160 centimeter to 190. It's available in different colors. It matches different interior styles, and an included mouse pad is ideal for gamers, graphic designers, and everyone who uses a game in an office or at the gamer's desktop. And it's carefully crafted and stylish designed because this gaming chair adapts to the natural curves of our back and features adjustable lumbar cushions, the pillows and the armrest. The embroidery on the back of the desk chair improves the breathability and ensures comfort even during a long time of gaming. The lines of the chair gives the back cushion a full appearance and provides convex support for the back. The lumbar pillow and the pillow offers the most comfortable support and relieve the back pain. You see, we have here a nice adjustable device. I support flexibility, pressure relief, and pressable and quiet, flexible, independent spring components. We have there a quilted PU, a pocket spring core, and a high-density foam. And that means the flexible for all kind of play situation. The chair can be adapted according to player's habits of the game. And the height is adjustable. Easy to maintain the PU. Removable stuff. One-piece design. This is the pillow. We have a 3D reinforced design, a safe and reliable material, steel skin structure, durable of course, because we can use it over a long time. It comes with a stylish design, a versatile use, 140 degrees inclination, and the quality is guaranteed. The wheels, 360 degrees smoothly, quiet, abrasion resistant, floor friendly PU material. And the gas spring, 10 centimeter height adjustment, SGS approved, and stepless adjustment. This all brings us the GT Player Gaming Chair, because the GT Player comes with a lot of office staff, with a lot of gamer staff, and it makes in this price range a good job, because we have here the GT Player GT900 in gray. And it comes with a lot of nice stuff for us to our rig, to our home. to make a better game with that GT Play gaming chair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!